Thengia ya kambeni ya Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri guthingiriria bata wa Akenya guikara magithimagwo mirimu itiganite, gicunji kinene kia Akenya matiikirire mutugo uyu na uguo aingi makoretwo magikara na mirimu itari ya kurano. Riboti ya ica ikuhi kuma kuri Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri yonanitie ati hari andu milioni 22.5 aria marathurimirwo na murimu wa cukari mwaka uyu, 260 matirari na umenyo o wothe wigie murimu uyu.
That means more than 200,000 people have been walking, going to work, going about their duties, and they did not know that they had an issue with diabetes.
Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya Ugima wa Mwiri mirimu thoni kuhitukira ateithiriria a arigitani matura-ini, Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri ni koretwo ikirumanirira na Akenya aya niguo gutigirira ni maramukira urigitani uria kwagiriire.
Have witnessed it right now as we are going round. We have been able to refer 1 or 2 people to a health facility for further assessment. We have been able to find people who actually have not taken medication because possibly they thought it is just a day. And within that day, you've seen a spike in terms of blood pressure.
Riboti ino oho ikihithuria ati hari Akenya milioni 15 aria makurikanite gukorwo na murimu wa gutengera gwa thakame, 577 ni matumitwo thibitari-ini cia ikiro ngurani kwamukira urigitani makiria. Muthoni ekwaragia o mwena wa Kibera kuria augite ateithiriria a maabitha a urigitani matura-ini matigukorwo makihuruka ihinda-ini riri ria mambura ma thiguku, amu megukorwo magithiururuka nyumba kwa nyumba niguo gutabania ithimi cia mirimu ngurani na oho kwandikithia andu rungu rwa mutaratara wa SHA.
We'll be going around the country and in other areas to also ensure that the CHPs are doing the very right thing. I want to thank them for also becoming the link between our referral system and especially to the Social Health Authority. They are the first point of call at level 1 before you go to level 2. And they treat you for free.
Niguo kugacirithia wira wa maabitha aya, thirikari yugite ni gukorwo ikirekereria kigina kia marihi mao maria matigaririire gukinyeria muthia-ini wa mweri uyu.
And we want to also be very careful that whoever we are paying is the community health promoter working on the ground. So because of that verification and ensuring that we have the correct data, we delayed a little. However, by the close of this month, I want to assure all the CHPs in this country they will be paid up to the last coin.
Hadini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gena wa Wadiro.